Are your plants growing healthy leaves but refusing to flower or fruit? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common gardening problems, and today I'll share the top 3 reasons and easy solutions. Reason number 1, lack of sunlight. Most flowering and fruiting plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Compare this to a sunny spot where plants are thriving and blooming beautifully. Reason 2, incorrect fertilization. Too much nitrogen creates lush leaves but no flowers. Look for balanced fertilizer with more phosphorus and potassium. Apply it around the base of your plants, following package directions carefully. Reason 3, watering issues. Both overwatering and underwatering stress plants and prevent blooming. Test soil moisture with your finger. Water when the top inch feels dry, ensuring consistent but not excessive moisture. Remember, ensure adequate sunlight, use balanced fertilizer, and water consistently. Try these fixes and watch your plants transform. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more gardening tips that actually work.